What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go to our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.36, down 6% on the day. Saying, Mark Gala, 240, 24-hour volume, 128 million, ladies and gentlemen. If you need to bake it or buy it, check out my full-length tutorials. Sign up, takes 2 minutes. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, posting trade signals, completely for free. Let's hop into Gala Games. So it continues to follow our bearish wave count. If we zoom out, we're looking at a wave 1 coming down to wave A. We had our wave B pullback. We're looking for that wave C. And right now it looks like you put in the wave 1 and the wave 2 pullback of the wave C. And we're seeing that continuation to the downside. So what we're looking for is the end of the wave 1, which could end soon. We may retest this low here at 0.033. We do have money flowing back in nicely here on the hourly, so we could potentially see a bounce relatively soon and put in that wave 2. If we were to bounce from the current level, of course that's not promised, then you would look for a rejection in between the 0.382 at a minimum and the 0.786. So currently those price rubber duckies, currently those price targets are coming in between 0.036 and 0.038 for a wave 2, and then you see continuation to the downside. Of course, we could put in a lower low, but that's what we're looking for if we bounce from this level. Come down in a 3, 4, 5, complete the wave 3, put in a wave 4 and a final wave 5. I do think Gala will come down to the 2-cent range, in between 2 to 3 cents, to complete the wave 2 pullback before seeing that juicy explosion in a wave 3 to take you all the way up to about 30 cents or so. I've been adding to my HODL position for Gala as we're coming down here, as I've been talking about, and you can see my exact entries and my percentage of planned allocation that is into Gala, along with many other coins in the Discord for 10 USD per month, plus trade signals and analysis. Just plugging that in there. So we talked about a retest of the daily EMAs, the bearish cross, the head and shoulders, which we already broke the neckline. And as you can see, we came very, very close to retesting those EMAs. We broke down from this head and shoulders retest, and we're seeing continuation to the downside. So more confluence that we could come down to the 2-cent range is the target of this head and shoulders. That would bring you right down to about 2.6, 0.26 for the price of Gala Games. Beautiful wave 1 up. See that wave 2 pullback hold, led these bearish divergences play out and come down to oversold, and then push up in that juicy wave 3, unless the bottom is not in, but I think that's the less probable scenario. I do think there's a good opportunity the bottom's in for the market and for our friend Gala Games. All right, gang, so in the short term, if we do bounce from here, look for a wave 2 pullback. We'll drop in some price targets to make it more visible for you guys. 0.036 and 0.038 could offer a good shorting opportunity before seeing that wave 3 to the downside. If we do bounce from here and we pull back into that target zone, let's say we push up to the golden ratio, then your wave 3 target would be the 1.618. Currently at a 0.030, put in that wave 4 and a final wave 5 to complete the larger wave 3. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges. Currently, we're in 3 trades. We shorted Bitcoin and Ethereum right from the top, and we're making some juicy gains. You can get completely free access if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Email me or sign up email. Members in here posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies at the 10 USD membership, same price as a Netflix subscription. Early access to my analysis signals, crypto news, member profits, Mahado alt plays, only $10 a month. You can buy a Big Mac meal and kill yourself, or you can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.